Hi, welcome to the assignment number 5, problem number 3, implementing a stack using two queues, Q1 and Q2. This problem we are going to solve by using the two methods, by making push costly, by making pop costly. First we see how to implement by making push method push operation costly. First, let's say for this is the elements that we have taken. P means pop operation. So first what we means, we push one element into the Q1, and next we push 5 element into the Q1. Then we move that we pop it, and we DQ this and NQ into the Q1. Then we NQ next element, and then what we do means we NQ this from here, and we will move that one element into the Q1. Now the front will become here and the rear will become here. Then again we take the we NQ3 here, and we again take the we again DQ them to Q2, and again then we take this element. Now the front will become here and rear will become here. Here the front is here and rear is here. Then again we DQ them into the Q1, 5 and 1, and the next operation is the pop. So we DQ element from Q1, and we print it. Then we DQ them from Q1 to Q2. Again next operation is push 2. Then the front becomes here and rear becomes here, and again what do? We DQ elements from Q2 to Q1, and 5 here and 1 becomes here, and the front is here and rear becomes here. So the next operation is pop, and we take the first element and we print it here. So the next again we DQ them to Q1 and push them into the Q2. So for example, if we see if we push them into the stack, it will become 1, 5, 3, and then next the pop, so it will print 3, and then next operation is push 2, and the pop means it will print 2. So if we see the remaining the popped elements are 3, 2 from the original stack, and by using the two queues by making push costly, we print 3, 2 are the popped elements, and remaining elements are 5, 1, and here also remaining elements are 5, 1. So this is the one approach. Let's see, for this approach, the push method, the time complexity is order of n. For the pop, the time complexity is just only one time we are just taking the element, so order of 1 is the time complexity. But let's using pop method, pop costly. In this, we'll take, for better understanding, we take the same elements. Let's see how to implement a stack using two queues, Q1, Q2. So here if we see, what do? We first push in queue all the elements and if it is the operation is pop, the next then we DQ all the elements from Q1 to Q2, NQ and NQ. So if the we won't NQ the last element because we will print it. Instead of DQ, we will print this, and then we will NQ. Then what is the next operation mean? NQ this to Q1, and next operation is pop. Then we will take that and print that element. So this is the pop operation, pop by making pop costly. Here the time complexity is order of n for push, because we are pushing just one time, order of n for pop. So if we see it is just quite opposite in by making push operation and by making pop operation costly, the time complexity is almost same, but it depends on the cases we choose which method it is useful for. If we see the stack contains 70% to push and 30% pop, then we take order of 1 per 70% and order of n for 30%. So in this case, pop by making pop method costly, pop operation costly is the best approach. This is my approach for this solution. Thank you.